Hi, this is John from Ilium Works, and today I'm going to show you two of our newest products, our 29-200 highway peg and our 29-300 highway gripper peg. And these are for the R1250 GS Adventure with the factory bars. Okay, we're going to install the 29-200 now. First thing we're going to do is put a little bit of medium strength blue Loctite on the threads of our two M8 screws. Then we're going to use T5 wrench. Right on here. Get the upper clamp situated first. Get the threads started. And then we'll go for the lower clamp. Okay, now with everything still loose, we're going to adjust this back and forth till you find the spot where they are sitting, where they're happiest. You slide it back and forth till it seats properly. And then tighten up the bolts. The M8s, you're going to tighten these to 17 foot-pounds. Now you can take a tape measure and measure from the peg, say, to the edge of the mount here, and go back and forth between the two sides, and you can adjust these back and forth and get them pretty darn close. Okay, one comment we get from a lot of people when they're first installing highway pegs on their BMWs here is that they don't appear to be symmetrical. What the fact is the engine is not symmetrical, and nor are these engine guard bars. They're different from right to left. So what you like to do is measure the distance between the edge of the peg and the foot peg. The foot pegs are symmetrical on the bike, so that'll give you an accurate indication of where your pegs are. On the right side, you'll notice that we install the peg in as far forward as it can go, and we're limited by the weld there on the frame.